ही गए होंगे।
यस मैम।
हाँ, नोट तो मिल ही गए। मैं जरा एक बार आपको ये दिखा देती हूँ एनडीसी का। ये देख लो जरा। ठीक है, ये एनडीसी का
मैम
है। हाँ,
मेरे मेरे इसमें दिखता है कुछ नहीं आएगा, मैं वो लग रहा है
किस में नहीं दिख रहा?
दिखेगा कुछ। मेरे फोन में दिखेगा कुछ नहीं क्योंकि
क्यों?
स्क्रीन खराब हो रही है।
अच्छा,
इसके
स्क्रीन
मैंने
खराब है।
बताया स्क्रीन
ओके
खराब
ओके, तो तुम्हें ये दिखेगा ही नहीं, तो चलो कोई नहीं, मैं बता ही दे रही हूँ।
है।
ठीक
ओके
है।
मैम।
हाँ, तो तुम अपना ये सुन लो। जैसे कि मतलब आपको पता ही है 1950 में फर्स्ट टाइम जो भी प्लानिंग वगैरह की गई थी वो नेशनल डेवलपमेंट जो काउंसिल थी उसके थ्रू हुई थी 1950 में। बट इट वाज द एडवाइजरी बॉडी which provide guidelines and approves the plan. NDC, that is known as a National Development Council, gives the advice at various stages in preparation of the plan and ensure unanimity in the approach so that the plan can have a national character. And you should know about this that this NDC was approved by the parliament. Okay. NDC
ओके
is
मैम।
a very broad based body headed by the Prime Minister, Central Minister, Chief Minister of the state, and Lieutenant Governors, Administrator of Union Territories, and members of the Planning Commission. The Secretary of the Planning Commission is the Secretary of the NDC. So it means the NDC National Development Council was very important at that time. Now you know, after this, as per the recommendation of the parliament, the new planning commission was set up at that time. Okay, now this planning commission already changed the name. Now from the 2014 NDC
नीति आयोग।
planning commission is known as a Niti Aayog.
यस
Okay,
मैम, यस
so
मैम।
what are the role and performance of National Development Council? So I will elaborate about the roles performance of the National Council of National Development Council. The National Development Council plays a vital role in the process of Indian planning and development. It is very important because it always plays a very important role in the planning and development. It is also provide a forum in which the union ministers and chief minister of state discusses the plans at important stages in their formulation. Plans are also approved at its meetings after their completion and before they are presented to the parliament at the state legislature. Because you know, if any planning expenditure for future, if any planning is the matter of formulation, so there is need to formulation of planning. The all government of a state union government, they first they will prepare the documentation documentation regarding the planning. In this way, the national character of the plans is emphasized. The council also consider social, economical policies impacting the country from the social point of view, so that their necessary uniformity may be secured. In these ways, it gives a lead to the country on broad issues of policy and promotes the collective thinking, joint action on matter of national importance, because it is very important, because this is the matter of the country. And if there is any execution of the planning, so in this condition the policies and the promoters of the collective thinking and joint action on the matter of national importance. National Development Council had its first meeting in November 1950. Okay, the first meeting concerned the draft report on the 5 year, first 5 year plan. This was the first working of the NDC. Different stages of the second 5 year plan were examined at four meetings beginning from May 1955, at which the plan frame and tentative framework were considered and ending in May 1956, at which the final report was accepted. The council considers proposals relating to the third 5-year plan and six meeting in March, April and September 1960, January, March and May 1961. So after these meetings was the routine, these meetings were very important for the 1 year twice time. At that earlier meeting, financial resources, patterns of development and allocations to various sectors were considered on the basis of papers circulated by the commission. Okay.
Okay.
The draft outline was approved at the meeting of September 1960 and the report of the third plan in May 1961. Other meetings considers progress report on plans, agriculture, problems relating to the community development, land reforms, cooperative policies. So there were many policies, industrial development, financial, social basis, and political basis. There were many committees were set up at that time, and this was the working of these committees. They were looking at different aspects of the planning, which planning will be good and which planning would be very good for execution of any policies after approval of the fund and grant. In view of the importance of agriculture production and the price policy, two special meetings of the National Development Council were held to consider these questions. The importance of the issues that are placed before the council from time to time is thus clear. It may be mentioned that between 1955 to 58, for about 3 years, a standing committee consists of 9 to 12 states had been constituted by the National Development Council. These meetings are compulsory for twice a year. The important function of the NDC include: what are the functions of the NDC? National Development Council. NDC is a kind of bridge between the union government and the planning commission and the state governments. Because if there will not be any coordination between state and union, the planning of the nation will not be too good. NDC provide guideline for present day preparation of the plan in accordance with the ability of resources, ability of the resources. NDC consider the plan as formulated by the Planning Commission. NDC consider the broad direction of the social economical policy affecting national development. So these are the work and functions of the NDC, and NDC also reviews the working of the plate from time to time and recommends the measures for achieving objective of the national plan. So it is very important that if there is being any type of executions of planning and any formulation of the planning, the pre-planning is very important. Yeah, now I'm giving one example to you. Like today you have class with me. Okay. If you have a class, so, but I am not giving and I am not providing any notes for your preparation. So how you will ask the question, how you will prepare the question, and how you will